If you've never taken a test which requires LockDown Browser in your course at CSUDH, this video is for you. Before I cover the test-taking process, here's a little bit of background information on LockDown Browser. LockDown Browser is a special web browser that's customized for CSUDH. When it's opened, it will only navigate to Blackboard. Also, it'll prevent you from accessing any other programs on your computer. Lastly, LockDown Browser is available for the Mac and Windows. For more information on LockDown Browser, refer to the link in the description below. If your course contains tests which require LockDown Browser will need to be downloaded and installed onto your computer. The course should contain a link to download the installer. Check the announcements, syllabus, and course menu for the download link. In this example, we have a custom link containing the LockDown Browser download link in the course menu. Once downloaded, use the installer file to install LockDown Browser to your computer. When you are ready to take the test, close all programs and then open LockDown Browser. Next, log into Blackboard. Then, navigate to your course to find the test. Tests requiring LockDown Browser contain the text "Requires LockDown Browser." Once located, take the test and make sure to save and submit all of your responses. After completing the test, close LockDown Browser to resume access to all other programs on your computer.